Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Google Assistant on your headphones SteelSeries Arctis GameBuds. You have to start by open the application. Now go to settings at the right top. Then go to button mapping. And now decide you wanna call it on your left or right earbud. I mean with using left or right earbud. And then decide you wanna use in single press or double press. I prefer left one, but you can also make it for the right one. And I prefer the single press, and this is the same for the double press. So just click on Mobile Voice Assistant, now go back. And then, if I press one time on my left earbud, I will call Google Assistant. And as you can see, it works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!